Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to construct a histogram, how to make a graph, a histogram using a TI-84 graphing calculator. So first, you always need your data in your calculator. So we go to edit list. I'm going to use list number 1 for this video. And I do have the list ready. So I'm going to use those numbers to make your histogram. Whatever data you guys have, you input the data in the calculator. After you guys have the numbers, you go to second stat plot. So you guys see in blue, it says stat plot, second stat plot, and we are going to use plot number 1. Notice that I have 2 plots, plot number 1, plot number 2 on. I don't want to have 2 graphs at the same time, so I'm going to turn off plot number 2. Just make sure you guys have that one off. So to do that, you go to plot 2, and I'm going to go to off over here. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to go to second stat plot again. And so now I have plot number 1 on, plot number 2 off. So when I want to graph, I'm going to use the first one. Double check that it is on. So plot 1 is highlighted, it's on. I'm going to choose this graph for histogram. So I'm going to go down to the right, and this one is for histogram. You press enter. It's going to ask you guys, where is your list? So I do have the wrong one. I want to use list 1. So I'm going to go and I'm going to change that to L1. So this button down here, you guys see the little blue. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but it says L1 here. So that's going to be L1. Let me erase that. Second L1. I forgot to press second. You have to press second L1, and that's going to give you guys the list you need. So I am using list 1. Frequency, you leave it at 1. The calculator will find the best class width for your histogram. So 1 is fine. You press graph. Now, sometimes the graph is not shown or you don't see the whole graph on the screen. So what you want to do is you guys need to press zoom number 9 right here. And when you guys press zoom 9, it's going to show you guys the whole graph. So remember, zoom, and you guys can go to number 9, and that's going to be right there, zoom stats. So your histogram is made here. You know, you can see the shape. There's a gap here, so possible outliers on this side. For this histogram, it is unimodal right here. And you can also check how many you guys, the count that you guys have in each bar. So if you press trace here, you can see that for this bar, we have 8 observations. You can go here. For this bar, we have 12 observations. Next one is 4, and we have 1 and 1 right here. Now for the class width, you want to know how width or how wide the bar is. Well, it tells you what the calculator is using. So for this bar right here, we have a width from 151 to less than 175. So not including the 175, but between 151 and 175. But one more time, it's not including the 175. If you go to the one next to it, from 127 to 151, but it's not including the 151. So that's the class width. And you can see this one, there's the class width, the next one, class width, and the class width, and the class width. So that's how you use or make a histogram in a TI-84 graphing calculator. So if you guys like my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. You guys can like my videos too. Make sure you guys practice with your calculator, and I'll see you guys later.